words to write this piece, words to condemn the motives of a war, words to preserve the winds of peace. Why do I see lions preparing to roar, while the lambs forecast their disease? Are guns their toys and wars their caprice? What did we get from the battle of their call? It is time for us to lead them to succeed. The peacemaker should start to deplore. The poet should recite a masterpiece. The term of a known hero simply a legalese. It doesn't bring back our brothers we did adore. That the tears of the widows may cease. Who shall take away this fear of an uncle? Who shall respond to my call for peace? Please let me pay the price for peace. To build peace with those you don't care for. Those you call enemies, I call brothers to be nice. Their wounds to heal and their dreams to sow, with the joy of being cared for by Ebenezer. Why should I be judged for being overseas? To the boys whose nightmares remind them of a war, and to the girls whose tears they can't release. All I do is to write a conversation piece, to call all my compatriots to the same dance floor. Hey, Umwagarwa, those are enemies to police. My sisters reminded me the perpetrator's role. No, Umwagarwa, all we want is our pain to decrease. Please look at our eyes and our tears, don't ignore. Why can't I stand in the middle as a set piece? Please let me tell the left to make peace. Please let me tell the right to stop the war. Allow me to show my compatriots their timepiece. I swear, the hatred and the violence I can't fend for. I simply want the spasms of a pre-war to cease. Maybe I'm a girl with daydreams of a Viennese. Maybe I'm a coward you should ignore. Please let me be a butterfly that spreads peace. All I will do is to write to those whose pain I care for. My father's killers and my mother's heroes on these fleas. Should I fight those who may attack my peace? Maybe I would have chosen a gun and go to war. Years ago, my brothers did and pushed them to the door. But I'm afraid it's costly to preserve peace when the pain of compatriots we continue to ignore. I'm a simple girl who quietly whispers peace. My brothers and sisters, I aim to implore. Come to the mountain top of our fleas. Let's open to the philosophers the stage door. Maybe the poets can recite a period piece. Here I am, Rwanda, to serve you peace. Guns I can't hold, I'm not prepared for a war. Insults I can't trade, their anger may increase. I don't want to die fighting those you care for. I'm simply prepared to die for peace. My name is Umwagarwa.